Hey everybody, how's it going today? So one of the things that we wanted to start doing is some tool reviews and some unboxing videos on our YouTube. So here I am, recording my very first one. Today we have the DeWalt DWE305 reciprocating saw. We picked one of these up because we gotta cut some, it's like an aluminum side door apart, and we didn't have, the one we used to have was like a Milwaukee. It was like 100 years old probably, and it belonged to my grandfather, I think. So that one finally died, and I'm actually going to post a picture of that because it's kind of cool looking. It's like a full metal body. And we decided to pick this one up. So the DeWalt, obviously DeWalt's known for making hard, tough, strong tools. This is, from what we can tell, the most powerful one on the market. It's a 12 amp. It weighs about 7 pounds. It's about 17 inches long. Let's see what we got in here. Instructions, probably won't be needing those, right? So here it is. It feels solid. It's actually heavier than I thought it was going to be. What's this? Sticker on the end. I know from reading a little bit about it, it has four, and actually the sticker tells you too. It has 4 positions for the blades, I guess you can put it in. One for cutting flush to a surface, and then 3 others, one for cutting like up, around. So let's see if I can get a blade in this thing. Probably opening this wrong. I always do that. My wife always gets pissed at me because all of our cereal boxes are open from the bottom. Ain't nobody got time to pay attention to that. So loading this up, should just slide that right in while pulling up on this. There we go. I'll try and get some footage of us actually cutting some stuff with it. This is the first position. This is the flush position. You can see it'll cut right next to the edge there, so you can get a nice flush cut with it. Let's see what else we got. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. Rubber grip on the front to makes it a lot easier to grab. Like I said, the one we used to have was like a metal body, so it was actually a little bit hard to hold on to. Doesn't appear to be seems pretty basic. Cool, let's plug it in. Is surprisingly quiet, considering if what I've read is correct. It's extremely powerful. I don't remember what the blade stroke is. I think it says it right on the box. It does, but it appears there's a sticker over it. So 2,300 strokes per minute. I'm not sure what the stroke length is. I want to say it's like 1 1/8, 1 2/8. So, yeah, seems like it's going to work out pretty good for us, hopefully. Like I said, I'll get some video of us actually shooting with it. Or shooting. I'll get some video of us actually cutting with it. So yeah, thanks for checking it out, and keep watching, I guess, and I'll try and figure out how to cut this in so that I can add extra video to the end of it. Have a good night, guys.